Right, welcome. I don't know if you can hear me. If you're here, please let me know. We're straight into the action. There is news right now. Yeah. So we won a trade this morning, and we've been holding this trade. The current one you can see on the screen, GBP JPY, since yesterday. We've held it for almost 24 hours. Sorry. Yeah. So sorry, I just had to put another screen so I can monitor what's going on. So I expect price to fall. I'm afraid of the news, but I just decided to still enter the trade all the same. I'm not yet seeing a reaction. I thought I'll see a heavy reaction by now. I just hope this news does not go in the wrong way. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. I will share the screen. Oh yeah. Now we are beginning to see a reaction of the news. Yes, now we're seeing a reaction of the news. So I will share my screen, my MetaTrader 5 screen, so you can see what's going on, how price is falling. Right now, I'm just showing the chart. Sorry, yeah, we are on the trade Euro JPY. So I expect price to go down this way. I expect price to tank, but I'm looking to see what the news does. I'm surprised the news is a bit same. It's very risky. The day before yesterday, I held through the news, and price did exactly like this, whipped me out, and then came back in the direction. So today, in fact, I actually left this trade originally, but I saw a correlated pair, GBP JPY, had started moving. So that's why I decided to re-enter the trade. So right now, I'm waiting. I'm not seeing the kind of reaction I want to see, honestly, and this is quite concerning. I wanted to see price fall. Oh, what is the time? What could be the time in New York? Yeah, I believe it's 1:30, right? In New York right now. Except maybe it's not yet 1:30. Are we 1 hour ahead? Because I'm not seeing a reaction. Okay. So I expect price to fall this way. That's what I expect. Probably we have a time difference. We probably have a time difference. I could have entered a Bitcoin trade then as well, if I had known it was not yet time. Let me see. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Oh, my screen is misbehaving. I hope it doesn't crash. Yes, I was saying I want to see what's going on Bitcoin. Oh, the trade is actually not going as planned. Okay. It may still go up. I expect price to go up on Bitcoin. That's my expectation. I expect price to actually go up on Bitcoin. Let's use the moving average to see where we are. Oh no, this is we want to see the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping free signals on Instagram every day. So in case you want to be a part of it, you can join the Telegram group. I'll be dropping free signals every day on Telegram. Yeah. So you will see the link to the Telegram in the banner. So all I can do is sit on my hands and wait. We are already in the trade. I'll try to see if I can see another opportunity. Yeah. It's 8:37 in New York, so I'm surprised. We didn't have any strong effects of the news. Quite surprised. Okay, yeah, unemployment claims. Yeah, the news has hit the market. So I didn't see the reaction. You see, this Forex market can be so funny. Sometimes, day before yesterday, it wicked me out. And today, and then I had 4 consecutive winning days before that. And then I ended up taking a couple of losses after that. Almost 2 days in losses. You know, we were a bit rattled with the loss. Even though I had many trades in between. Yesterday I just ended the day with a -5 pound loss. And then this morning I entered into a trade. I lost instantly, but I won the next trade, and we are in this trade currently. So let's hope that this trade is a winner, and we'll be back into winning ways. So the news has hit the market just as I expected, but it's not really having the impact I thought it would. So in that case, we'll just hold. We'll hold our trade. So let's go back to the trade. Let me show you my MetaTrader 5 screen. So I'm going to show you my MetaTrader 5 screen so you can see. You can see what's going on. Yes, I'm just trying to add the MetaTrader 5 screen. believe that should be the one. Okay, yeah. So this is where we are. We're in a little profit. I entered here yesterday night, and price has done all this. I held up to this point and got out somewhere here because I was afraid of the news in order not to suffer what we suffered the other day. But when I saw GBP JPY had gone, this is Euro JPY, by the way. So when I saw that GBP JPY had gone, started to tank, then I re-entered instantly just before the news. I was afraid that price may do like this and then come down. In fact, GBP JPY has already done like that. It deceived people, did a liquidity grab, took out buy stops, and then it's falling right now. It moved even before the news. So, but Euro JPY has just been like this. I'm happy I took Euro JPY. Oh, sorry. You cannot see my screen. Yeah? Okay. Yes. Yeah, so as I was saying, this is the screen. So we're in a little bit of profit. So this is Euro JPY. Like I said, GBP JPY went up and then started to fall. It did a liquidity grab. We have a similar pattern on GBP JPY. Did a liquidity grab and started falling. But Euro JPY has been in this consolidation. I entered somewhere around there and then held price for so long, almost 12 hours now. Each bar represents 1 hour. So if I entered here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 hours. We have held price now for 15 hours. Although I came out shortly before the news around there at break even. But somewhere around there, I believe, at break even. Around here, sorry. But when I saw GBP JPY had gone down this way, and this is a correlated here, I had the confidence to enter before news again. So I thought the news would push us down, but ironically, the news has not moved the market. So we just hold. Let's hope that this goes in our direction. I just hope there's no disappointment that it goes back this way. This is normally a bread and butter setup. But let's see how it goes. All right, so that's it for GBP JPY, Euro JPY. I'm watching the market for any other opportunity. If I see one, I'm going to update us. I'm really thinking I'll be entering the Bitcoin trade as well. I think I'll be entering the Bitcoin trade too. It's a bit of a dicey one, but I might enter. Here. I'm just doing, while the screen is on, the MetaTrader 5 screen is on, I'm just doing the Bitcoin analysis to see whether there's an opportunity here. Hold on. I'm about to enter the Bitcoin trade. BTC, USD, BTC, BTC, where's the BTC? Yeah, BTC, USD. Yeah, I'm in the Bitcoin trade as well now. So I'm in a trade on Bitcoin as well. Since the news has hit the market, we have the flexibility to take a trade now. We were really afraid of weak outs. So let's see where we are. I think I'm going to share the screen for the Bitcoin trade, so you can see my take stop loss and take profit. Okay. Yeah, so this is the screen for Bitcoin. So I expect price to go up, hopefully, on Bitcoin. And we're looking at probably a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. In fact, I actually expect price to go all the way up here. But we'll watch how things go. So I'll be sharing. Yeah. I'll be sharing this trade on Telegram. Sorry. Well, it's a bit late actually. You can still enter. If you are watching, you can still enter. You can still enter, it's not yet that late. Okay, so the Bitcoin trade is on now. Just updating, I have a group where I trade for people actually. So these people have funds, but they don't have, they have the funds and I trade for them. So I also share what I'm doing with that group on Discord. But there's a free Telegram. I just posted the trade for Bitcoin there. You can enter at 96.96951 and stop loss. Sorry, let me just update that. Yeah, and the stop loss is 6351. This trade is a bit late. That's why so this will, if you're entering at this price, it should not be 3R. It should be 2R because I entered earlier. I entered the bit earlier, so this should be 2R. It's on the free Telegram. I just posted it there now. Okay, so we're done with these two trades. I'm going to look for other opportunities now. Let's see if we can still get something else to trade in the market. So we are in a trade on Euro JPY, we're in a trade on Bitcoin as well. And hopefully it goes the way we want. Let me see if we can see any other opportunities. I'll take you through the process as well. So we're scanning the market now for opportunities. Let me do this. Yeah. DJ30. I'm really looking at this DJ30, but it's dicey. Based on the formation I'm getting, it's telling me we should go long. That's what it's telling me. But I think I'll need more confirmation. On this. Let's look at gold. Yeah. I know I've looked at something on gold before, or gold now. So apparently, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, so gold, there is nothing on gold right now that I'm looking at. Okay, gold is just consolidating on the 1 hour. And then we go to GBP USD. Oh, this has flown already. This is just flying. It's flying down. We didn't take this trade. I saw it late. I think it's almost at the end. That's 100. That's 100. Yeah, there's a way I would have taken this trade. But we're already in, it's gone, it's gone. It's gone. I have a very, let's say, unique or crude way of taking trades like this. Yeah, certainly I would have taken this trade if I had seen it. I think because of the news, I had to be a bit careful. I had to be a bit careful because of the news. Well, this would have been a very sweet trade, actually. It would have been a very sweet trade. This is gone. So I have to leave that as well. Don't forget to join the Telegram group. It's free. I drop signals there. I just started it. In fact, I just dropped the first signal on this live stream. So you can trade with us. You can trade along with us if you want to. Okay, S&P 500, something similar. That's gone as well. It's gone. I can't see anything because there's something around this area. But it doesn't fit into my way of trading. So 140. There's a strong support here. There's a strong support there that may lead to a double bottom. This is a double bottom here and here. So this could give us a double bottom and price could continue. But I don't like taking trades at the double bottom. I like to take price at the neckline of the double bottom to be on the safer side. The UK 100. Okay, I think I see something, a potential in UK 100. Oh no, that would be too. Then I move to I'm not sure we'll be staying too long today on the live stream because markets have moved already. Euro USD is flying as well. We had our extended target, which is being fulfilled right now. So there is nothing to do with Euro USD. Let me see. I think I would have seen a trade here. 830. Looking for 830. Okay. Yeah, no. This is gone. We'll not stay very long today because we're already in the trade. All we just do is wait and see if we win the trade. We're in 2 trades already. USD JPY. USD JPY. Looking like something is cooking on this one. We have a break of the trend line. Yep. I think I'll be interested in this. USD JPY, I took a loss in the morning. So it's natural to be apprehensive about taking a trade on this. But let me see if it fits into my trading my playbook, then I'll take it for sure. I have about 11 strategies. Of course, I can't actively trade the whole 11, but I know what I'm looking for at every point in time. So let's see if there is an opportunity here. The price came to retest this area, this zone. And we're on the 4 hour, this is a 4 hour support and resistance generally, this area. Let me see what's happening on the 4 hour. I only follow US 30 and BTC for trends. For the other peers, I just use the 1 hour time frame strictly. I scan through very quickly with the 1 hour time frame and take quick scalps on them. So this is what's happening on the 4 hour. We have a bullish engulfing. Let's see on the 1 hour, we may have a continuation here, or at least price coming back to the top. So all I'm going to do now is wait patiently for a retest. Why do I have the long blue line? Let me see on the daily time frame. What's this long blue line telling me? Yep, let's see. Okay, maybe it's a line that I've drawn there for a very long time. I'll be removing this. Here, I have derived my target. Okay, for the double top. Oh, we've achieved the double bottom. This double bottom. I must have done this long ago. I can't even remember. So, yeah, so the target is gone. The target is achieved for the double top. So price may continue. So now we're in the 4 hour support and resistance zone. And price may want to continue here. Now we've retested the 4 hours zone and we got a bullish engulfing. I would like to see a 15-minute break and retest if possible of this trend line and of this support and resistance. Now this blue line is the 1 hour. It looks confusing looking at all the lines I've drawn. Or the blue line, I just drew that now, is the 1 hour support and resistance zone. So I want price to do this. Break, retest, give me a confirmation, and then this is messing up. Yeah. So as I was saying, I want it to come back, retest, give me a confirmation, and enter. That's what I want to see. And I'll take price here. I think I'll just go for 2 hours only. Yeah. So let's see if that happens. This should be a good trade if it happens like that. Now I have to ensure I set an alert when price come back to retest. It will let me know. Minute bullish and engulfing. So Euro NZD, I'd already done that before. Let me go there. The alert is already prompting me. Let's go to Euro NZD to see if there is something. Euro NZD. Yeah. Euro NZD. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we're on the Euro NZD right now. I want to see. This was like a triple top on the 1 hour. 1, 2, 3. This is what I mean. So if I derive the target, yeah. Sorry, just a minute. I done this earlier on in the morning when price was going this way. So yeah, let me show you what I mean. This was like a triple top. 1, 4, 1. This is like a triple top. This is like a triple top. So price may come in to this place and then go back down. So I may wait for either 15-minute bearish engulfing or the 1 hour. I'll prefer to see the 1 hour bearish engulfing. Yeah, so let's see what happens with this. This will be good if it actually works the way we want. Sometimes with these triple tops, it can go a bit deep. And then the original triple top has occurred already on the 30 minutes, I believe. That was the first one. Yes, it has occurred already, but the target is still not yet fulfilled. And then oh, yeah. I think I'll need to remove this. Sorry, just a minute. Oh, okay. We have a 1 hour triple top now. I will leave them so I can remember. So this is the 30-minute target and this is the 1 hour target. Yeah. I'll delete this. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Yeah, I'm seeing signs of weakness. I want to see a 1 hour bearish engulfing. Okay, so let's see how this goes. I'm watching this very closely. I'll go back to my majors. Just before that, I want to quickly see what's happening with GBP JPY because I noticed Euro JPY is still not moving. I don't know why it's just so slow. Or Euro JPY, yeah? So slow, yeah. JPY is so slow. BTC is flying. I'm going to share the screen of, let me share the screen of the MT5. MT5, yeah? Oh my, a lot. USD JPY. Wow, things are moving. The market is moving like crazy right now. It's moving like crazy. We need to be a bit fast and organized, yeah? So I want to share my screen. Another alert. Not there. Reduce the sound of the alert. So I'm going to be removing this. So I can share. What's the help up? Yeah, I did live. Huh? Yeah, I'm trading. I'm live on YouTube. All right, we'll talk soon. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so so I'm trying to add share my screen of Meta to the file. Sorry, that was a call from a friend. So you can see BTC is a profit. Let me add that. BTC is in profit. And this EURJPY is so problematic. I don't know why. It's not moved at all. That's very concerning, you know. That's very, very concerning. We've been holding it. We've held it through news. When we thought it's supposed to move, it's still not moving. I'm being tempted to close that trade, actually. I'm really, really tempted to close that trade. Let's see. Let us see. Okay, I'll leave the screen to be running while I'm quickly checking. Oh yeah. Euro NZD is moving. It's moving fast as well. Okay. Euro NZD is moving very fast. Let me quickly check my Euro JPY. I really don't know why that trade is not moving. I expect it to have been moving by now. I think I'll check what's going on GBP JPY as well. And the problem with this trade is the moment you close it, you know, it's just going to fall with force. But there's been a lot of consolidation or accumulation in one place. GBP JPY. Still, GBP JPY has gone in the right direction. I'm tempted to close the trade, but I'll still hold it. I'll still hold it. Okay, so let me see what's going on with Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is moving in the right direction. Bitcoin is moving as we expected it to go. As you can see, you can see my screen. We're in profit on Bitcoin. You can see my MetaTrader 5. We're in profit on Bitcoin. And now the J30 as well. Wow. There are lots of trades, honestly, lots of opportunities today. You just have to be very careful. I'm looking at the J30 closely. I have a Euro NZD. This Euro NZD I'm just getting alerts here, left, right, and center. These are the alerts are my analysis, previous analysis. Euro NZD. By the way, trading in the morning, London session was just so sweet. But somehow I couldn't participate in a lot of the activities. Okay. So yeah, Euro NZD. I'm really thinking of taking this trade, but I think I'll wait a bit. It's just that I think let me show you my screen so you can see what I'm looking at. Just a minute, I'll share my screen. I think I will enter with the 30 minutes. If I see a 30 minutes bearish engulfing, I will enter. Will surely enter. I'll just be patient and wait. I'll share my screen shortly. Things are kicking off. Well, that's why I'm just trying to organize and know which of the best trades to enter. Let me see. Yeah, Euro NZD. We've already got a 15 minutes confirmation, but I want to wait for a 30-minute confirmation. The danger is price may just tank if we wait for a complete 30 minutes. We could even wait for a 1 hour confirmation. We could wait for a 1 hour confirmation actually to be on the safe side. I'll share my screen so you can see what I'm looking at. Yeah, so this is Euro NZD. You can see my screen. I think I need to prepare for this trade. Let me see. I hope I'm sharing my screen properly. Oh yeah, here we are. So this is Euro NZD. I'll be shorting this trade if it does exactly what I expect. I'll be going short. I'll be selling if I can see the proper confirmation I want. We already got a confirmation on the 15-minute time frame. I don't want to be too fast to enter. We'll get a better entry with the 15-minute time frame, but I don't want to be too fast to enter with the 15. It's very tempting. It's really tempting, honestly. Yeah, I'll wait to see what the 30 minutes tells me. If I see a bearish engulfing on the 30 minutes, I will enter, which I think is going to happen. So I'll just quickly do my calculation. 7.1 pips for the stop loss. Let me take you to where I do my calculation. That's Euro GBP, right? So I'm going to be sharing where I do my calculation. Here. Yeah, this is where I do my calculation. My FX book, position size calculator. So Euro GBP, I've got my balance. I'm using the master account, which spreads into the account which you're seeing on the screen. That account is double of this. So I'm risking 10%. That's a little bit a lot, but it doesn't matter because my win rate is high. Let's see here. So I'm looking for 27.1. This may not be the final one. I'm just getting prepared just in case it works. 0.18. So I have 0.18. I have other accounts which I trade as well. Yeah. Let me see the balance on that. 121. .04. So I may enter this trade with these lot sizes. Okay, so I'm going to remove this screen now. And add back. And then I'm adding back where I do my analysis. Yes, we are back. So I'm watching this. I'm also watching US30. The problem with US30 is it may fly. US30 is scary sometimes, you know. It can be really scary sometimes. Let me see my analysis on this. We moved over here. I expect price to go up on US30, but I'm looking at the 230 open. 8:30 open, sorry, US time. And ideally, I would have loved to enter now, but I have to be careful because we could just see this price come down. Price is reacting off this order block, this 1 hour order block here. It's rejecting it. And this is like a head and shoulder pattern. Do we enter? Do we enter? It's very tempting. Very tempting. I think I'll wait. I took unnecessary losses by being too fast before, you know, not waiting for either news or like there's 30 time. Because once it's 8:30, you'll see a spike. And I expect the spike to go this way, but it may first come, wick down, you know, give a long wick like this. You see this red wick or this green wick. This wicks down, take us out, then start to go in the right direction. That's the problem. And sometimes, if you actually enter, it will just take you straight into take profit. These are the things we see when trading. Bitcoin has started to go in the wrong direction. Not too happy with that. Buyer. Okay, so we'll go look for We're still looking for, let me see. We're still looking for other trades. Let me quickly check my watch list to see the trades I had highlighted before, because trades are actually moving fast. USD JPY, okay, it has come back to retest. Yeah, so I'm waiting for a bullish engulfing now, 15-minute bullish engulfing. If I see that, we will enter. USD CHF, what do we have here quickly? USD CHF, no, this is complete. This is complete. I would have entered here. Yeah, this is complete. Nothing to trade here. What's this? Okay, I had done this before. And price, just this double bottom. Price is fulfilling. It's not, the risk to reward is so low. That's why I was not interested. And this is upward. I think this one has already happened. I need to remove this. Yeah. So these are the majors. Let me look at the crosses again. I've got Euro GBP. Oh my god. Oh yeah. I took this trade. We won this trade. We won this trade. Yeah. We won this trade. So we are good. We took this trade earlier on, some moments ago. So I'm going to be deleting all this. And I'll be removing this to show that I removed the tag. Card CHF, what did I do? Oh my god, I missed this, yeah? Okay, it's looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Yes, this is looking good. This is looking good. I need to see quickly. We're almost there. I think I'll be taking this trade. I'll be taking this trade. I'll be taking this trade quickly. Yes, I'll be taking this trade. Let me see. 15 minutes. I want to see a bullish engulfing first. It's almost time. And we'll go for a 1:2. Let's see. It's like it's happening. I think we'll be seeing a bullish engulfing. Card JPY. Card CHF. I have to be quick. Card CHF. Card CHF. Card CHF. Card CHF. Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc. Card CHF here. Okay, I'll be entering this trade. What do I have? 5.1 pips. A stop loss. 5.1. Yeah, where's my position size calculator? Card CHF. Things are moving fast. Card CHF. Sometimes I'm not able to get the best entry because we have to be fast. One lot size. One. Okay, we're in this trade for card CHF. 15 minutes, yeah. And the trade for card CHF as well. And then I have to enter the other one as well, my other account. 0.25. So I'm in this trade as well. So I executed. Yes, we executed for card CHF. We want to see 2R on this, at least, hopefully. Since I'm moving fast, I have to adapt quickly. Since I'm moving fast, markets are moving. Markets really move like crazy in the London session, and it's moving again. In New York, it's even moving faster in New York, honestly. Okay. So card CHF is moving. I like that. I like that. I really like that. Card CHF is moving the way we want. We just entered and straight into profit. Straight into profit. Card CHF. Euro JPY is moving. Bitcoin is disappointing. And Bitcoin moved in the right direction originally. Yeah. So let's see. Euro. Let me see the other one. Card CHF. 1:2. The 1:2 on this. One is to two. I want to see a 1:2 on this. I'm going exactly 1:2. That's my model for this kind of setup. So once we get to 1:2, I'm out. I'm putting my alert in case we hit stop loss. I'm going to know to let me know. Yes, the JPY is picking up as well. Wow. I can't do all of them. There are just so many opportunities. I think I'll just do the alert. Let me see Euro NZD. Euro NZD. That's why I like to wait for either my 30 minutes or 1 hour confirmation. It has not confirmed. Let me see USD JPY, what it's telling me. Where is USD JPY? Aegis USD JPY. It's alerting me as well. USD JPY, yeah? 15 minutes, okay? I'll be entering this trade as well. USD JPY. Once we get a confirmation. If we get a confirmation on this, I will enter. So you might be wondering, why am I entering all those trades? I'm just risking and diversifying. I'm diversifying my trades because some may win and some may lose. So I have to diversify. Now, Bitcoin has started to disappoint. You know? So that's the reason why I diversify my trades. Let us see what other one was there. Yeah, I wanted to look at US30 to see what was going on US30. Oh my God, you see what I said? I should have entered. Oh shit. US30 has shot up. US30 is shooting up. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Wow, trading. It's not easy, you know? Day before yesterday, I did the same thing and the trade hurt me because I should have entered this trade, you know? This was a very solid opportunity. Yeah, it's one of those things. It's already hit 1:2. Okay, well, we can't complain too much. We just take it as it is. This was a switch trade. which I should have entered. Bitcoin is disappointing big time. It's almost hitting our stop loss. In fact, it seems like it's going to hit our stop loss. I don't know, it may have hit actually. Still hasn't. And the trade which I should have entered, I didn't enter that. Now the one we entered, is going to hit stop loss. This Bitcoin, I think I should give it space. I should give this Bitcoin space a bit. No. I can't see the condition. I believe this Bitcoin will still go higher. Almost hitting our stop loss. It's hit my stop loss on one. Okay, well, it's hit my stop loss on one of them, on one of the accounts. But it's still going on the other one. Let's hope it doesn't hit. And it may hit, it may do this and then go up. Let me see the J30. The J30 is just shooting. Yeah. That's a missed opportunity, okay, let me see what's happening with the other trades. Things are kicking off. Trades are flying left, right, center. USD, JPY. Let me see the 15-minute time frame. What kind of close do we have? Oh, there is nothing. We've not seen the kind of close we want. Let me see again. NZD. 14 minutes. Might have to wait for a 1 hour close on this. I won't be in a hurry to rush into this, so we don't get a fake out. Okay, we've been stopped out. We've been stopped out on Bitcoin, unfortunately. Well, it's one of those things. We move on. We can't complain. We still have trades we're monitoring. We have USD JPY. Most likely, I'll be entering into USD JPY trade. Yes, I think I'll be entering this USD JPY trade. It seems to. This is a technical one. We have to be a bit careful. We'll be entering. If it gives us a bullish engulfing, it's a bit risky, or we'll enter. CHF is going. It's going exactly how we planned it. We have to prepare for USD JPY. Next 4 minutes. USD JPY. USD JPY. 10. How many pips would this be? Yeah, so we'll enter the USD JPY trade. I think I need to prepare for about 20 pips. stop loss, 20 pips, 0.13. Okay, so we'll be entering the USD JPY trade because I'm seeing a bullish engulfing. I believe you can see my screen. I'm seeing a bullish engulfing on the USD JPY. I don't want this to go too far. It's going too far. I don't like it. Please. Wow. Let me quickly check my Euro NZD again. Just before this one finishes. 30 minutes is gone. I don't like the formation of the 30 minutes. I'll wait a bit. On the 15 is alright. It tells us to enter on the 15, but I'll just wait a bit. USD JPY. USD JPY seems to. Let's hope this doesn't fake us out. I think I'll be entering this. Alarms are just blowing quickly. I need to be very, very careful on. Yeah, our CAD CHF trade is going very well. CAD CHF, right? CAD CHF. CAD CHF, yeah. So we're almost at take profit. We're almost at take profit on CAD CHF. Yes, we're almost at take profit on CAD CHF. GBP, JPY, USD, JPY. Let's see USD, JPY watch list. USD, JPY. Things are kicking off very quickly. Yeah, USD, JPY. I'll be entering the trade as well. 0.18. USD, JPY. Where is it? USD, JPY. I'm on the trade for USD JPY. Moving my trade to break even on CAD CHF. The card CHF, we are almost at take profit on card CHF. Yes. So let me share my screen. I hope I can. I'm just being careful so I can monitor what's going on. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen quickly. Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh no, this is not the screen I want to share, but it's all right. Yeah, I think we've hit take profit. Card CHF. I'm taking that out. I'm taking card CHF out. We've hit take profit on that. We've hit take profit on that. I wanted to share the other screen, but I just don't seem to. Things are moving so fast, so I have to. Yes, so I'm on USD JPY as well. I just entered the trade on USD JPY. And it seems to be going in our direction. Where's USD JPY? Okay. It's still messing around. I need to set my stop loss for USD JPY. We're in another trade on USD JPY. I'll share the screen quickly. Oh, all right. I did not know. Oh my God. I need to share. I need to share my screen. Yeah. So I'll show you what's going on. I'm setting my stop loss first on USD JPY. So this is the history. Let me see. So today, all history. Today. It's not video. Okay, yeah. So I took a loss in the morning. The win on this. I went out at break even. A loss on this. Which is this? BTC. BTC just messed us up, but we've recovered. With card CHF. So now we are in two trades. Two trades are running. One is USD JPY. I hope we win. And then we have Euro JPY, which is going fine as well. So that's it at the moment. I'm still trying to see if I can enter one more trade. I still have a trade in mind. Yeah, I still have a trade in mind. Uh, let's quickly go and see what's going on there. I may not be able to take you along. Yeah, Euro. Let's see, Euro NZD, which has been alerting us for some time now. Euro NZD, the 30 minutes and on the 1 hour time frame, no confirmation to enter. So we stay out. Okay, I think it's going in the right direction in the 1 hour. And the 1 hour is about, oh my god, it's flown. It was taken off. It was taken off. I should have entered earlier. Yeah, I should have entered with the 15 minutes. Actually gave me the confirmation on the 15 minutes, but I wanted to be more careful. Now we're flying. It's one of those things. Hopefully we can get a 1:2 with the 1 hour. So I use a copy trader. That's why you can see I'm having different accounts. How's this trade now? Let me see. Euro NZD there. Euro NZD. I need to prepare for that. Euro NZD. And Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Okay. Some price has left me behind. I should have taken this trade earlier. I should have taken this trade earlier. Price has left me on this. What can we do? Let's wait for the close. The 1 hour close. We will still get an entry. I've waited for this trade for a long time. USD is not going the way I want. So I'll be stopping the session soon. What's going on with my USD? Yes, we will enter a trade on Euro NZD as well. If you close this well, so I need to prepare. Euro NZD, it's a 5.5 pips. Maybe getting a very good risk to reward ratio, but we'll still take it. We get a 1:2 at least. The USD JPY seems to be retracing. Let me share the other screen, the other account which we're trading. Sorry, I'm just trying to multitask. USD JPY, let me see. Portuguese to USD JPY. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to see what's going on with the USD JPY. If you're not bothered. And then yeah, I'm going to share another screen of another account which I'm trading. I believe this is it, yeah? Okay, yeah, you can see it clearer here. Yes, this is another account. Now, I need to quickly prepare for many seconds more. Euro NZD, Euro NZD. Where are we? Where are we? Euro NZD. Euro NZD. On the 1 hour. And what do I have here? I like what it's doing. I really like it. I really, really like it. I like what I'm seeing. So this will be about 32.7 pips. 32.7 pips. I have to be fast in my calculation. Euro NZD. Euro NZD. How many pips did we say? 32.7. 32.7. Here. 32.7. Okay, I'm going into that trade as well. 0.36. Price is moving fast. I have to be fast. I mean that. Now. And then, what's my other account? Another account. 0.09. Price is moving very fast on Euro NZD. Sometimes you can't get the best entry you want, but we just have to enter all the same. Because price moves too fast sometimes. And the funny part is it will start to retrace later. But we're in. Okay, so we're in another trade again. I think I'm done. I've tried for today. So we've entered about 5 or 6 trades. Some Bitcoin lost. The other one won. I won earlier before I came on board. Euro JPY is doing well. Euro NZD, Euro. Sorry, I'm talking so fast, right? USD JPY is on right now. So all we're just going to do now is watch. Let me set my stop losses properly. And then I'm done. Okay. I need to set my stop loss. I didn't get a very good entry because price moved very quickly. But it's still okay. No problems. Now I want to see what's happening with USD JPY. I think that's a loss. Wow. No, not it, not it, not it. Those ones, that's how they do. They try to tease you, those kind of setups. Let's see. Let me go to USD JPY. I know you can't see what I'm doing. I'm just showing the screen where the MetaTrader 5 is running because I have to be super fast. You can see I'm entering several trades at the same time. Oh my God. Euro NZD is tanking. We love it, we love it, we love it. That's what we love to see. Let me see what's happening on USD JPY. Oh no, we are not happy with this. I think, no, this is not going well for USD JPY. So, but it could retrace, it could still retrace. We're still holding, we're still holding. We're still holding. We're not in a hurry to leave. We're still holding. I just need to put my alert. Let me know when it gets to a certain level. I'm going to share my screen shortly. So we've entered about 4 or 5 trades so fast. We've had wins. We lost Bitcoin. We missed one. And we are winning in some of them right now. So this is what it is. Yeah. USD JPY is not good to us. So far, I'm not happy about that, but there's nothing we can do. The most important thing is that net, we are going to win net, all our trades. So today I've had a mixed day. I'll show you the history for today now. On this trade. So, yeah, so I think this is the history. No, let me put today. Yeah. So we lost one in the morning, USD JPY, and after that there were several good trades. You know, I saw like 4 or 5 setups, but I decided to stay out in order to watch the markets. I was trying to adjust my strategy. Then we won the other one, a New York session. This one, we came out at break-even because we were afraid of news. Euro JPY, the third one. The fourth one, BTC, surprised me. I need to check. I believe that may still go up. And then we won this one, CAD CHF. We are currently in some trades that are running at the moment. So USD JPY is not looking very good. So but these other 2 that are running will be 2 times. Even one of them, if it goes to take profit, will be 2 times what we lose here on USD JPY. So we are not worried. And they seem to be going well. So we are not worried about that. Normally when trades happen, they hit stop loss very quickly. But if the trade will go well, it will take a long time to go well. So that's what you're seeing at the moment. So as far as we make 2 times that, I believe we are going to close the day positive at the end of the day. Yes. So that's where we are at the moment. I will share my screen for the last time. Okay, USD JPY seems to be. I just want to do a quick check to ensure that I have my stop losses in place before I come back to share my screen to show you what's going on. Even this USD JPY, well, let me not talk too quick. We could still retrace and we could win. or my stop loss is too close. What's my problem? And I don't want to adjust it. I'll just take the L because it could come down and then shoot up. It could come down and still shoot up. So let's see what happens. If it's going to hit our stop loss, it will hit very quickly any moment. Okay, I'll try to take you back to the screen, to where the setups are happening. Okay, so this is the MetaTrader 5 that is running at the moment, where we took the trades. But let me try to bring you back to Trading View. So I'm taking us back to Trading View right now. Yeah, no, I need to remove this, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be sharing my screen on Trading View. Okay, yeah, USD JPY. I didn't expect it to come this low. I didn't want it to come this low. This is very dangerous. Okay, sorry, I need to share my screen. Yeah, so as I was saying, I didn't expect this candle to come this low for USD JPY. That's signifying problems. I wanted it to come this way, probably this way, and go up. So, should I cut my loss quickly? Or I just hold it to hit my stop loss? Because even from here, it could still go back up. That's the danger with this, if I cut my loss. So we are still holding USD JPY. Let's see what is happening on the other pairs we are trading at the moment. I'm tempted to look for another trade, but let's see first. BTC, we lost on BTC. We thought BTC would go higher. Apparently it went lower. We missed this trade, and this was a very painful one. A little worried about the New York equities open, and ironically, price flew. It helped me day before yesterday, and I became a bit cautious. After that hit, I took losses after 4 consecutive winning days. The hit shook me a bit, and somehow I took some losses, even though I had winning trades in between. But I ended up yesterday just about -£5. The day before, I ended up, I can't remember the amount with a loss as well. So otherwise, I should have taken this trade. There's no way I shouldn't have taken this trade. The BTC one is the one that messed us up. So let me see what's going on with our other trades. I have to keep an eye on what's going on as well. Euro NZD. Okay, price seems to be retracing at the moment. Yeah. Okay, Euro NZD, that's going to be a long time. It's going to be a long trade, so we're not worried. We're not too worried about that. That will be a trade that will take some time. Maybe it could even take 24 hours. It's very possible. And if we are wrong, it will be wrong very quickly as well. So we are not worried. Let me check on the other trades just a minute. USD JPY is still messing us up. I need to remove this alert. We have nothing to do with BTC anymore. Let us see. USD CHF, nothing. USD card. Okay, yeah, we won this. We won this already. No, is this the one we took? I'm not sure. Let me see. We took which one did we win earlier? Yeah, CAD CHF. No, not this one. We didn't take this trade. We didn't take this trade. I just put it there just to show whether it will go that way. It was a winner, but I didn't take this trade. All the USD, nothing going on. Oh, yeah, I see something actually. There's something going on here. There's something going on, but we are late. We are late. This is the 15 minutes. I don't like to be on the 15 minutes. So I'll switch back to the 1 hour. And then, yeah. So let's see. I have a long list I look at. I trade mainly on the 1 hour because I can trade perfectly super scalp on the 15 minute, but I realize it takes too many things because it's a shorter time frame. It's very, very fast, so I can't keep up with the number of assets. Many people don't look at these assets; they just trade one setup, one particular pair. Yes, I can do that, but I realize that sometimes one market is moving, the other market is slow. That's why I try to look at as many as possible. I don't even go far; I just only look at the 1 hour time frame for all of them, and I can quickly spot if there's an opportunity or not. So this is the one we are. This trade has taken too much time. Too much time. Yesterday I entered, and it's been. I entered in the night, London time, around 11:30 in the night, Asia session. Of course, I looked at the left. I saw all this over here. So I knew that when I entered, we are going to have an extension like this. But I thought news would push us down. News has not pushed us, but we are still going in the right direction anyway. I just hope we get to our take profit. Yes. So Euro NZD. We're also in this trade at the moment. We didn't get the best entry, but this trade may take some time. So I'm expecting a 1:2. I want to take a snapshot of this. I'll take a snapshot of this. Let's remove this a lot, yeah. Yeah, I'm taking a snapshot of this. And then, but this trade may take some time as well, and it may be fast. So I expect a 1:2 on this. I will readjust my 1:2. We may even get more than that, but I don't want to be greedy. So I'll just take at 1:2. Let me set an alert to let me know when we hit stop loss. Well, I don't know how to hit stop loss in case we hit stop loss, so I can know. And then I'm setting an alert for the take profits as well. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So in case you can trade a bit, in case you know how to calculate your lot sizes, I'm going to be dropping signals on Telegram. There's a link that is displaying across the screen. Free telegrams, free signals there. Yeah, so I'm just checking on our trade. Euro JPY is going well. The best of entries. I would have loved to enter somewhere around there, but I ended up entering way down below. But I just still had to enter anyways. So hopefully price can push down over the next few hours. It may take 3 hours, it may take 4 hours, it may even take 20 hours. We can stay. We just have to wait and see. Yes. So that is it for that. And Let me see what's happening with our USD. I'll check if there is still an opportunity, one last opportunity before wrapping up. USD JPY. I'm just trying to check on this trade again quickly. It's not looking good. Not looking very good. I want to see a rejection and price swinging up, but we are still holding. It could still reject and go up. Okay, we've come to retest this order block, the top of the order block. The problem is price may want to come down this low. If it comes down this low, then it's going to take me out, certainly. But if it retraces and goes this way, then we'll be good. So it could come down this way, retest this one, and then go up. That's very possible as well. So we'll hold. If we're going to be wrong on USD JPY, we'll be wrong very soon. And then, yeah. Okay, so let me check for other opportunities. I want to ensure that I put my stop loss on USD JPY just before going to check. I'll take you through the process of checking for opportunities. My USD JPY, yeah, my stop loss is there, but it's exactly at the order block. I think I'll adjust this a bit. Below the order block. Still within my risk parameter, so I should be fine. USD JPY is not looking very good. It's not looking very good. But it's within my risk parameter anyway, so there's no problem. Like I said, it could still reverse, so we are onboarded at the moment. USD JPY, yeah. Just hang on, I'm going to take you through the process of searching for trades as well. Let's see if we can see one or two more trades before we leave today. USD JPY, yeah. I'm closely monitoring USD JPY to see what's going on. And I'm adjusting my stop loss, or rather, ensuring I set my stop loss properly. Just want to give the trade a little room to breathe. Yes, then all my trades have their stop losses placed now, so that's good. Placed properly, rather. So that should be good. I think we're good. So we'll just allow the market to do its thing. We'll wait and see. Now, let me check on Let me check if we can still see another opportunity today before we call it a day. Yeah. Just a minute. Okay, yeah. So let's see if we got another opportunity. Let me look once again on the 1 hour. Let's see what's price doing with Euro USD. Nope. Can't see anything here. I don't want to overanalyze, spend too much time overanalyzing. Here's the CHF. There's nothing here for me to see. There's nothing here for me to see. This was in the morning. This is done. There is nothing here. I just train my eyes to see very quickly if there's an opportunity or not. This is already done as well. So I'm going into the crosses. No, this is indices, NAS 100, oh, UK 100. I think there's a potential on UK 100. Yeah, there could be a potential, but that may happen later. I'm not sure I want to be trading. You know, this trading, you can continue trading and trading and trading. The markets are open 24/7, especially for crypto, and for Forex 24/5. So if care is not taken, you can just be glued to your screen. When people in London are sleeping, people in New York are trading. When people in London are closing, people in New York are trading. That's afternoon Indian time, you know. And when they go to sleep, Asia opens. So the market is always open. There's always something. You can trade in the midnight if you want, trade the Asia session. Those are the pairs like the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, you know, and pairs like that. You can trade them conveniently. And those pairs move like crazy during Asia session in the night, London time. And you can trade New York's London session, like the Euro pairs, British pound, USD pairs, same with New York. New York is an overlapping session, so it overlaps with London. So if care is not taken, you're going to be glued to your screen. No, I can't see anything here on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, can't see anything here. Okay, GBP, JPY. Oh yeah, this is going well. This is signaling the fact that JPY is going down, which I expected, is showing me that our Euro JPY will go well. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing for us. And then all these pairs are related. CHF JPY is related. Euro JPY. This is the one we are in. It has taken so long. And I don't know why it's slower than others. Euro is supposed to be the most traded among Euro JPY among these ones, but GBP JPY is flying. Let me show you. GBP JPY is flying, but I'm happy I never traded this because it did a liquidity grab here. Let me show you. We had this. You know, I would have expected to take my trade around this place with a confirmation, which it gave us. We had the confirmation in this place, but see what happened this morning. It came, took people out, faked us people out. So many people would have entered the buy here, and then people who put their stop loss around here or here would have been stopped out, and then it started to happen after spending so much time, almost 12 hours in this region. So I'm happy I never did this, as the peer, the Japanese peer I entered. I entered this trade around 11:30 yesterday night, but this is what I entered. So this is it. You can see my alert. I put my stop loss here. If it was JPP, JPY, it would have taken me out, but it didn't take me out, and we held the trade. This when I entered this on this particular candle. When I saw, so I entered and it kept roving around, but now it's moving. So I hope that price will get here, which I expect, and that will be a very good thing for us. And this odd JPY, this will move. It will move. Once there is a confirmation, it will also come down eventually. Except it decides to hold so long while others are going, and then it now goes up. At that time, others would have retraced and start going up as well. So I'm not doing anything with this PS. This one is so slow. CAD JPY, NZD JPY now. This has happened. There is nothing to trade here. Traders moved. Euro NZD. Oh my God. We entered in a hurry, and now it's gone back to give us a confirmation. I mean, give a better entry. And I hope it doesn't reverse from here as well. So we're going to hold the trade, no doubt. We are holding the trade. We expect that price will get here. Well, I think we entered in a hurry. It's because I didn't enter on the 15 minutes, which I should have. I wanted to enter around there, but I was looking for more confirmation and price just tanked. If I had entered there, I should have even gotten out of the trade by now. I'm almost regretting not entering early. I was looking for more confirmation. So now I have a very bad entry, but I will hold it because it's still telling me price low. I wanted a 1 hour confirmation like this. So there's a tendency price will still come down all this way. We are going to hold this. It may take some time. GPP odd, this one just flew down. Oh yeah, I saw this trade as well. I could have entered somewhere here in the morning, but I was busy. I would have got a very solid 1:2, and it still continued. Yeah, this was a sweet trade actually. GBP odd, GBP CHF, GBP card, Euro odd. Euro odd. I think I see something here. Okay, I mean Euro NZD. Oh, it's related. No wonder. Yeah, this is Euro NZD. This is what we are trading. We see the triple top, and we see the confirmation. Now let me go back to Euro odd. You see, we have extended resistance here, and then price has broken through. So it's similar. I expect price to come down. I hope price does not retrace and go this way. Yeah, that's a bit similar. So we're not doing anything with that. We see nothing here. Here, Euro CHF. Euro CHF. This is like a triple bottom here. We have a potential here. Oh, we've been stopped out. We've been stopped out of USD JPY. Wow. Okay, we've been stopped out of USD JPY. Ironically. Okay, no problems. I'm in profit on Euro JPY, and Euro NZD we also expect to be in profit. So hopefully, if those trades go well, we'll close the day net positive rather. Yeah. So yeah, let me continue to see if we can see one last opportunity. Sorry. Yes, there is a tendency for a trade there, but I don't really like the formation. I think I'll leave it. Euro GBP, this has already occurred. There's a way I would have traded this. Or did we take this trade? It looks like something we traded. Let me see my history. Okay, yeah, we took it. We won that trade. Yeah, we won the trade. Card CHF. I think we took card CHF. Yeah, we also won card CHF. Yes, this was my analysis earlier on. We won card CHF. Today has been mixed. The thing is, if I had taken all the trades I saw in the morning, oh my God, would have been super profitable. I just turned the screws on in the afternoon in New York session because of the losses I took yesterday and day before yesterday. After four consecutive winning days, I decided to be careful in the morning. And oh my God, the trades were just so sweet. They were flying left, right, center in the morning. And a lot of them would have been winning trades for me. It's just because I took the first loss and I said, you know what, let me stay out and watch the markets, see if there's anything I'm doing wrong. Everything I'm doing is right. It's just that yesterday, especially the day before yesterday, the trades were not going in my direction because I traded a lot on the lower time frames. But all the higher time frame trades, I still won trades, but I was net negative. The higher time frame trades went well, but the lower time frame trades didn't go well. So that's why I decided to stay out. And now I regretted staying out this morning because all the trades were so sweet. Very sweet, honestly. Some of the sweetest trades you can think of. So this afternoon I turned the screw on, and we've had mixed reaction. We've won some trades, we've lost the other, but we expect to be net positive because two other trades are running. So yes, so we expect to be net positive eventually today as well. And then yes, let me see. I need to remove this. I've removed that tag. NZD, I think I'm not seeing anything per se for now. If I come back in the next 1 hour, I may see trades, but I'll call it a day because I've spent so much time here. Yeah, this one has happened. It was a very good opportunity here, but it's gone. But CHF, and that's the end. So, okay. Oh my God. Yeah. Euro JPY is sweet, man. It's tanking. Just as I expected. Let me show you my screen. I'll show you what I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, we're in good profit on that. It's going to make up for the Japanese yen, which we lost. USD JP. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, USD JPY. Okay, it will make up for it. USD. Okay. No, I'm looking at another screen. Yeah, we're very well. We are very, very good. Yeah. So let me show you the screen. The MetaTrader 5, that will be the last screen I'm showing you, and then we are done. We are done for today. We'll come back another time, next Thursday, live trading, but I'll try to be sharing at least one signal on Telegram. You can see the link going through the screen. You can join the Telegram, and you will see the link on my YouTube page as well. So I'm going to share this so you can see what's going on. Yeah, I'm just trying to share. Just a minute. Okay, I'm going to remove this now, and then I'll share. I'm going to be sharing the MetaTrader 5. So you can see what's going on. Yeah. Okay, this is the MetaTrader 5 screen. So I'm in profit on this. I expect this to get to 200. That's what I expect. 200. I expect price to come down all this way. That's what I'm expecting on this. So, and this one will also come down. You can see this one will also come down into profit. Euro NZD. I expect it to come down to. I got a bad entry, so I may get about 170. That's 270 pounds on this if things go well. Yeah. So this is my history for today. I lost this. I won this. This is the same trade we are in now. I got out originally on Bitcoin. We had this on CAD CHF. We won this. This USD JPY messed us up. 68.41. So about 100. But when these other ones happen, 270. You know, when it happens, 270, it's going to knock out this negative, and then we would have closed the day in profit. So normally it's not like this. Normally I have more winning trades, but sometimes you can't tell what the market brings. So like if I had taken all my chances in the morning, trust me, would have been probably in about 500 or 600 pound profit today. But it's all good, you know, no problems. And if I had taken the US30 trade as well, we certainly would have been in probably about 700 pound profit. So that's a lesson. Always take all chances. Don't worry about the outcome. That's a big lesson today. So with this, we are going to call it a day, and hope to see you next week. Bye.